What Buddha said right after enlightenment. You know, when Buddha got enlightenment, Buddha said that, O builder of the house builder. The house builder here refers to who is giving you birth, who is creating your body, and who is who is making you bonded in samsara. Samsara means the world. So Buddha said, O house builder, I have seen you. Now you can never make house because I have seen you. I have seen you. Now you can't build any house anymore. So the house builder is the mind, is endless desire. Buddha got the insight upon them that the house builder, who is my mind itself, I gone beyond the mind. And Buddha got the enlightenment. When asked about what is enlightenment, Buddha said nothing. You know, we all are everything, everywhere. We all are sons, sister, brother, father, mother, in a profession, doctor, engineer. But through meditation, Buddha said, I am nothing. When you are nothing, then there is no identity attached to you. And it is also said that Buddha seen his so many birth, previous birth, after enlightenment, and seen that I have come on this earth so many times. I am chewed, and I am constantly doing the same thing that's happening in my previous birth. Right now I am doing the same thing. So Buddha said, I have seen all these things. I got the insight through Vipassana, and Buddha got liberated. Now we are going to decode it. What actually the meaning of this? The meaning is that we all are here in a cycle of death, birth. And who is getting born and who is getting die? The thought, your mind, your cravings and aversions. It's your endless desires. Whenever the thought came, you react, then the whole things begins to manifest. Now, nothing can manifest my another birth. Now, this doesn't mean that the birth and going beyond birth, and that means that going to another planet. No. It's remaining here and now in this very present moment. It means that I am no longer attached with the identity of my body and mind and my desires. I will remain forever in this now, in this present moment. And because I will remain in this present moment forever, now there is no thought at all. No thought at all. I would never react on any thought, because whenever I react on thought, then these cravings begins to manifest, and during in this manifestation I begin to trap. So there is no more going, coming. Right now I am here. I am just nobody. I am just nothing. I am beyond my me and I. Buddha got this realization, and Buddha seen this, that it's all happening. It's all happening from very previous births I have seen. Now I am fed up from all these things. Now I am remaining in this moment, remaining in this now, in this present, and not desiring anything. Everything is coming and going, I'm not gonna react, respond. I'm just here. So this is the enlightenment, because you are now unattached. You are not attached to anything, any concept of death and birth. You are already liberated, already free from suffering. So this is the realization Buddha got, because you are eternal witness. You are eternal witness. You need not to absorb or involve. You just have to watch whatever is happening. Whatever is happening, just watch, just see, just observe, be mindful of. When you do so, then you will not react to anything. Then you dissolve in this nature. Then you become one. Then you become nothing. Here, the nothingness doesn't mean that you got isolated, close your rooms. No, it's not nothingness. Nothingness is not that you got close your room and you are alone and where you are thinking of so many thoughts, overthinking. No, alone means all one. I'm seeing everything is one. Everything is me. You know, the law of dependent origination, that nothing is independent. Everything, every action has cause and effect, as Buddha said. That I am not alone here. I am the elements present in my body. The same element present is everywhere, the whole cosmos, because I am the dust of the star. So it's very foolish to say that I am an individual. No, you are not individual. You are complete. You are silent. You are one with everything. You are everywhere. You are the tree. You are the wind. You are the mountains. You are the clouds. You are the everything. You know, this is the realization Buddha got. And when Buddha got this realization, Buddha began to think that how am I to teach people who are so much attached? How am I going to liberate people? Because this is the teaching I got. Not all the people would give same amount of effort as I did, as I meditated all the nights wandering in the jungle. So Buddha developed this concept, developed this meditation, which is Vipassana. Just came out of your mental imagination and focus on your breath. Just watch your breath. When you focus on breath objectively, you got the objective awareness. In this objective awareness, when you begin to observe your breath, suddenly come to the sensation of your body and see your body, the sensation of your body. When you do so, then the watcher, the very watcher begin to dissolve, dilute, and then there is no watcher at all, no witness at all. Then this whole cosmos is the witness. Then you become the witness. Then that witness is not yourself. Then this is the Buddha ultimate philosophy, the philosophy of known self, that you are not the self. So Buddha got this realization, and this realization, that's why important. So Buddha developed this Vipassana. But of course, Vipassana doesn't mean that you meditate and focus on your breath all the time and the sensation. No, go beyond all this. Just be mindful of everything, whatever you are doing. Watching, eating, talking, residing everywhere. Just watch. Don't make authority of Buddha. Learn from your experience. You know, this is Buddha is telling. But I am here to help you little bit, whatever I can. All the teachings, all the learnings I get from Buddha, Krishnamurti, Ramana Maharshi, Nisargadatta Maharaj, from my meditation experience from the non-duality. I made a course out of it. And in detail, I will talk about meditation, awareness, present moment, relationship, who am I, freedom from thought, all these 24 topics, along with 10 powerful guided meditation videos. You know, I am doing this work because this is not taught in any school, any academics. You know, we are teaching students. Education is full of competition, full of violence. What we are doing by achieving so many degrees, we are still killing each other. The wars are happening. So this is a little effort from me, that I prepared a course in which I will talk in detail about the various topics in which you are not prepared of. Because exams and college have syllabus, but life has not any kind of syllabus. So you have to watch it or absorb it, learn it. What is actual learning or teaching? So you can join this my spirituality course. My WhatsApp number is 9773529489, and this number is also given in the description. Thank you. From where you can join my spirituality course. Thank you very much.